Hi everyone, it's Lorelie from Wedding Cakes for You. Today's a very special collaboration with Rosie's Dessert Spot. So Rosie is one of my favorite YouTube cake people, and we have decided to do a collaboration together on a fall cake recipe and cake design. So you're going to get a lot of good stuff here. So check out my video and then go check out Rosie's video and let her know you were there. And thank you so much for watching. This cake begins with a brand new recipe addition, my pumpkin spice cake recipe. It got rave reviews from all my family and friends. Begin by placing the first layer sticky side down on a cake board. Add a small amount of simple syrup, which is optional, a heaping amount of whipped cream, which is 2 cups of heavy cream, powdered sugar to taste, and a touch of vanilla. Add the second layer and repeat. I placed the sticky side up for the top layer. This is my Italian meringue buttercream recipe, which I linked to in the description box below for you. I use it for filling, frosting, and decorating. You will want to crumb coat this cake and place it in the fridge for at least 10 minutes before continuing with your final coat. Chocolate buttercream is used for the tree trunk and a large star tip, number 4B. You can add a pop of color using a round tip and red or yellow or whatever color you want. You can add depth to the trunk and branches with melted ganache and a fork. To make a dark green buttercream, use moss green, or create your own moss green by using 2 violet to 3 lemon yellow. I also added a touch of juniper and black to this particular batch. Sifted powdered sugar helps to bind the color to the meringue buttercreams. Stripe your bag with brown on the larger opening side of the number 104 tip. stripe the opposite side with yellow and then green in the center. The second bag is the same, but with red added. Start piping your leaves around the branches, and then you can fill in with the second bag. You can also use a number 352 to create your leaves. These leaves are reminiscent of oak leaves, and some are simply ruffles. I'm going to speed this up a little bit. Okay, so here I am using the number 352 tip just to add a little bit of variety. A simple border with a star tip is all that's needed and a few leaves around the base of the tree. If you want to add another texture and color, cut out some gum paste leaf shapes, dust them with brown and or red, and then place them onto the cake. I made the large leaves with a leaf cutter a few days ahead, along with this acorn and this adorable little squirrel. I'll link to the tutorial that I used to make him. Wedding Cakes for You provides aspiring bakers with the recipes and steps for building skills and confidence to create beautiful cakes and cherished memories. Are you looking for more ideas for fall cake designs? Here are some really fabulous ones from my cake crew on Facebook. Thanks so much for being here, and don't forget to check out Rosie's Cake, and I'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.